Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Runway credits problems in 2026. So if your credits aren't updating, you're unable to use available credits, or you're seeing credit-related errors, here are some common solutions you can try. First, sign in to your Runway account and check your current credit balance. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your subscription or credit purchase. Next, refresh the dashboard and wait a few moments. Yeah, sometimes recently purchased credits can take a little time to appear in your account. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies or try a different browser. Outdated session data can occasionally interfere with account and billing information. If the issue affects multiple projects, check whether Runway is experiencing temporary billing, account, or service-related problems that may impact credit usage. Finally, revisit your account dashboard and confirm that your credits are available before starting a new generation or export task. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Runway credits problems in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.